All right, what's up, everybody? I'm gonna do a little update on the '88 Ranger GT. It's been several months since I posted anything about the Rangers or anything. The last video I posted was back probably, I don't know, several months ago, and I had a fuel line leaking on this '88. Uh, well, back in, I guess, January, maybe early February, sometime in that area. A good buddy of mine come over here. We got under there. Of course, he did most of the work. I'm not a mechanic. Uh, we did a little shade tree mechanicing out here on it. We dropped the fuel tank, uh, figured out where the line was leaking, and we sort of did a shade tree mechanic job on it and just spliced the line back, put everything back. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. Thankfully, he knows what he's doing, a lot more than I do on this stuff. But anyway, the truck, man, it hadn't been driven or started probably since February. It's just been sitting here, and it is. I'll do a little walk around of it. You can probably see. I don't know if you can see here or not, but it is dirty. Just sitting here, not being driven. Anyway, I'm gonna jump the battery off here in a little bit, and make sure it's gonna start and run and everything. Which I don't know. I don't see why it wouldn't, but I'm gonna crank it up and pull it over there and try to get it cleaned up a little bit. Maybe drive it around some next, couple of days and just see how it's gonna do with our little job we did, or basically he did, and I probably was more in the way than anything because, like I said, I just don't do any mechanic work. Growing up, we grew up sort of poor. We had to do some mechanic work. We've changed alternators and starters and stuff on vehicles, and me and my dad would get out there and work on vehicles. We had to. We couldn't afford to carry them to the shop. And I always said if I ever got a job and got a little money, I wasn't going to do any more mechanic work. I was going to take it to the shop and have it fixed or whatnot. And that's pretty much what I do. I don't do any oil changes or nothing. I just don't do no mechanic work. I don't want to mess these hands up here. I got dishpan hands. I don't want to mess them up. So, but thankfully I got a good friend that, like I said, he knows what he's doing, and he don't mind helping me out. And like I said, we're going to jump it off here in a little bit and clean it up, drive it around maybe a little bit, see how it's going to do, make sure the fuel line's going to hold up. Yeah, hopefully it will. And when I get it cleaned up and everything, get it cranked and all that, I'll go ahead and post another video of it. It's sad that I let it get in this shape, but like I said, man, I stay so busy with work and everything else. I don't know, I've neglected it. I wish I had another carport to park it under. I've got two under that carport over there. And I need to get another carport, park it under, keep some of that mess off of it and everything. But anyway, I'm gonna get to working on it here in just a few minutes, and maybe this evening, later on this evening or tomorrow, I'll hopefully have a good update video of it cranked and running and cleaned up and looking better. But anyway, we'll catch back up with you guys later on. I just wanted to update everybody on the truck.